Okay, so this is the chicken problem. So most people can figure out this through a logical process, but let's look at how to form this into a matrix, okay? So we're gonna call this guy um, big chicken. We'll call this guy medium chicken. This is big. This is little. And this is medium. And this is little. Okay? So a big chicken and a medium chicken, a little chicken and a big chicken, and a medium chicken and a little chicken. So we're gonna go big, medium, large. A little, okay, maybe I shouldn't have used an L. Okay? So let's say, well, what is this first problem saying right here? The first problem is saying that big plus medium equals 10.6. Okay? This one's saying big plus little equals 8.5. All right? And the last one is saying that medium plus little equals 6.1. Okay? So this is giving us a system of equations. All right? Now, how do we form this into an actual matrix? Okay? So we got big, medium, little. Okay? So let's write this down as a matrix. So right, now I'm going to take a matrix. We're going to say big, medium, little. Okay? Let's write down on the right-hand side of this. Be 10.6, 8.5, and 6.1. Okay. Now, when a matrix acts upon a vector, it's going to be a row. This row is going to hit this guy this way and do that dot product that we were talking about just a little while ago. Okay, so if I'm having this guy move that way, the first part of the problem said big plus medium equals 10.6. So that's 1, 1, 0. Okay, and then big plus little, that would be 1, 0, 1, and then medium plus little, that's 0, 1, 1. Okay, so what does this literally translate to? So when this row acts upon this column, big's going to be multiplied by 1, medium's going to be multiplied by 1, and little is going to be multiplied by 0. Okay? So this top one literally translates to big plus medium equals 10.6. This is big plus little equals 8.5. And this one translates to medium plus little equals 6.1. All right. So the question then becomes, Well, how do you solve a system like this? Now, some of y'all might be familiar with Gaussian elimination and different things like that. There are quite a few different ways to actually solve a linear system. Um, but let's say we wanted to look at this problem like this. Let's say a matrix A act upon a vector x is supposed to equal some vector b. Okay. Another way to do this problem is say x equals A inverse b. Okay. So finding the inverse matrix, and we're going to go over how to find an inverse matrix during the next class period. Okay? But suffice for right now, what is the inverse of matrix going to be associated with this one? Big, medium, little actually equals, make this one a little bit bigger because it's a little complicated. 1/2, 1/2, negative 1/2, 1/2, negative 1/2, 1/2, negative 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, and then multiply by 10.6, 8.5, and 6.1. Okay. Now some of y'all should be like, oh, where did this come from? We'll go over it in class next time. Okay? Exactly where this comes from. And I'm not going to multiply all of this out completely just because you need a calculator. And so, what is this thing going to equal? Okay, so if I had that matrix act upon that, all right, that's going to equal, all right, so that's going to be 10.6 divided by 2 plus 8.5 divided by 2 minus 6.1 divided by 2. Okay, so that's going to be 10.6 divided by 2, now minus 8.5 divided by 2, and then plus 6.1 divided by 2. Down. All right, and then negative 10.6 divided by 2, plus now 8.5 divided by 2, and plus 6.1 divided by 2. Okay. And that'll actually give us the solution for what the big, medium, and the little is. And then you can add those three together, and that gives you the answer to the chicken problem.